Hey everybody, what's up? So, Shaun Hadsall here, co-founder of Get Lean at 12. They call me the Ripped Grandpa, and I was just holding up my brand new shirt that says Forged in Pain. And when I first put this shirt on, my wife said to me, "What does that mean?" And my reply was, it means that our character is only developed during the hard times. And there's a powerful message that this shirt has that I want to share with you, because we never experience happiness or success in our comfort zone. It's only through enduring some type of pain that we experience growth and develop our character and become stronger and better in life. The perfect example is my wife's cancer journey over 10 years ago. We thought it was the end of the world. And now, here we are 10 years later, we've been able to come up with a product called the Over 40 App Solution. And these 12-minute protocols have reached well over a couple 100,000 people across the globe. So in hindsight, that cancer journey and the pain that we went through was all a blessing in disguise. I remember the financial hardship we had when we almost lost everything. And now, in today's day and age, it allows us to embrace and never take our current prosperity for granted. I remember failure after failure trying to build Get Lean in 12. Doors being shut in my face, but I never gave up because that pain helped me build perseverance and to have the attitude of relentlessly never giving up on your dreams. Now, I remember the pain of loved ones that have passed away. We've all been through this, and what it does is that pain allows us to embrace our health in every day as a blessing and a gift. Heck, it could be the last rep that you need to push out, the pain of that last rep, or the pain of that last 20 to 30 second metabolic exercise burst using our 12-minute protocols. That's where the magic happens. That's where the fat-burning hormones are released. I remember the pain of my shoulder over the last 8 months, having 3 screws in my shoulder, feeling sorry for myself, having plum disease, or what I call poor little old me, plum disease. And me all of a sudden recognizing people without limbs and people who are handicapped, and making sure that the pain that I was experiencing through my shoulder allowed me to be grateful that I have all my limbs and that I'm not handicapped. Heck, it could be the pain of dieting, sacrificing a meal, or sacrificing through some hunger pangs when you have them. That builds the discipline. That's what gets you to the next level. So pain, expect it, embrace it, welcome it. It can be your greatest asset and your greatest friend, or it can be your greatest enemy if you reject it. I choose to be forged in pain. I hope you choose too. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and keep going strong.